Tavares in the far corner. Riley's still up there. And it's played for Shen, who missed his pass, but Tavares keeps it going, and it's John Tavares behind the net. Coming out in front, John scores! John Tavares! They finally come lightning in a bottle! And the Maple Leafs have broken the 19-year curse!
You got a bunch of piles of celebration, one for the goal scorer. How about the goaltender, though? Samsonov again, a great story. Here's the quick little turnaround off the skate of Radish in front. Vasilevsky never even saw it. But how about Morgan Riley? He said, can the D be aggressive, continue to go to the areas where it's going to make a difference? And years of frustration, all kinds of different moves and plans. How about the trade deadline, the new additions? But John Tavares, the captain, keeps that play alive after the captain, Steven Stamkos, had tied it in the third. The Leafs move on with the overtime win.